Now we're going to talk about the maintenance of your Burger bus. It's not only good enough to have a beautifully wrapped truck, it's not only good enough to have great equipment in the truck, but it all needs to be maintained. If we take care of it, and so when we go to a job, our truck's always starting, our truck's always running, and we have the best food and the best looking truck on the job. We'll start with the maintenance on the truck. Your oil, all your brakes, all your basic maintenance has to be done regularly to maintain that truck starts in all types of weather, the cold, the hot, because when the customer's depending on us to be there, we need to be there. We'll go around to the side here and we'll talk about our generator. Without the generator, you are dead in the water. That needs to be maintained, oil checked out all the time, everything that you need for that. We also go as far as making sure our mirrors when we're driving you can see you're not a hazard on the road. Like I say, we're here to help you with everything that you need. Me and my team will do all that we can to help you.